The world had been watching the sky for weeks. Scientists had warned of an anomaly. Something was pulling the moon off its orbit. At first, people dismissed it as just another cosmic event, but as the days passed, the moon appeared larger in the sky, its glow eerily bright. Then came the tides. Cities along the coastlines flooded overnight, swallowed by waves taller than skyscrapers. Earthquakes shook the ground, and volcanoes erupted in places that had been dormant for thousands of years. Something was terribly wrong. The final hours. Governments tried to keep order, but panic spread faster than they could control. The moon was now so close that its craters could be seen with the naked eye. The night sky was no longer dark, it was filled with a silver monstrosity, looming, threatening. Then the unthinkable happened. The moon began to break apart. Huge chunks of rock rained down, destroying cities in an instant. The world's defenses were powerless against a force of nature this colossal. Fireballs streaked across the sky, and the ground trembled as fragments of the moon crashed into the oceans and continents, sending shock waves that shattered everything in their path. The impact. When the moon finally struck, it hit with the power of 1,000,000 nuclear bombs. The point of impact, somewhere in the Pacific Ocean, vaporized instantly, creating a crater wider than entire countries. A shockwave faster than sound spread across the planet, flattening forests, mountains, and cities alike. Within hours, firestorms consumed the land, and a wall of dust and debris rose into the sky, blocking out the sun. Temperatures plummeted, and a deadly silence fell upon what remained of Earth. The end, or a new beginning. Days turned to weeks, and the sky remained dark. The Earth, now a wasteland, was silent except for the few survivors struggling to breathe in the toxic air. Some looked up, hoping to see the stars again. Above the ruins of a once thriving planet in the depths of space, fragments of the moon and Earth drifted apart, possibly forming something new, a ring around the wounded planet. Humanity had fallen, but somewhere in the shadows of destruction, life always finds a way to begin again. Would you like a hopeful ending where some survivors manage to escape into space? Or do you prefer this apocalyptic tone?